Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Deliwe, also known as the Moa Deliwe. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to slay your blonde wigs. I know most girls my color are not really confident in wearing a wig this bright, but today I'm gonna be showing you how to beat your face and just go a bit natural and rock this hair. Let's go. We're gonna cleanse our faces before applying our makeup. Then my primer, Fenty Beauty primer. So now let's pencil in our eyebrows. And to contour our eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Toffee. Just make sure when you're doing your concealer, you're dragging it down so that it's easier for you to blend it and it won't ruin your eyebrow. I want very light eyebrows. I'm gonna blend out the parts where I see that my pencil is a bit dark. So to base my eyes today, I'm gonna be using LA Girl Toffee Concealer and NC45 powder from MAC. So in today's look, we're going to be using two palettes from Jaclyn Hill, The Vault. We're going to be using the Bling Boss and Ring the Alarm, these two palettes. So in Ring the Alarm, you are going to start with Alert and Secret for your transition color. When you're done, I'm taking the Bling Boss and I'm using Hush Hush, this color. Then I'm coming back in with my transition color again. Then to highlight my eyebrow, I'm using Hush Hush again. Last time. So for our foundation, I'm using Milani foundation. You can get this foundation from Imani Beauty. And like I said, a little goes a long way. This foundation has coverage. For those of you who like foundations that are a lot of coverage, this is the foundation for you. And for my concealer, I'm going to be using C11 for Revolution. This is my go-to concealer. Never change it. I love it. I love it, love it. MAC Prep and Prime. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the True Complexion contour palette. We're going to be using this face shade, the contour. I'm going to be using the same contour palette. blush, I'm using MAC Lovejoy. And my bronzer, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlight. And today I'm going to be also using NYX Born to Glow for my extra highlights. And for my lips today, guys, I'm not going to do a lot. I'm using the MAC lip liner NIGHTMOTH, and then I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow lip gloss. Watching my video. I hope you're now ready to try out this tutorial, and please like and subscribe to my channel.